Excretory system of Pila comprises of a single renal organ or kidney. It is on the left side of the body, the right kidney being disappeared or modified into the genital duct. The coelom of kidney is in communication with the coelom of pericardial cavity and to the exterior, and this is the true coelom present in the pila. It consists of two distinct chambers, that is, the kidney consists of two distinct chambers, the anterior renal chamber and the posterior renal chamber. Anterior renal chamber is small, ovoid, reddish sac situated in front of the pericardium and projecting into the bronchial chamber of the mantle cavity near the posterior end of epithenia. It communicates with the posterior renal chamber at one end and on the other with bronchial chamber by an oblique slit called nephridiopore. The roof and the floor of anterior renal chamber has efferent and afferent renal sinus and is also lamellated. Posterior renal chamber. It is a large, hooked, brownish or greyish sac situated behind the anterior renal chamber between the rectum and the pericardium, communicating with at one end with anterior renal chamber and at the other end with the pericardium by an aperture called nephrostome, present as perforation on the renopericardial septum, separating the posterior renal chamber from the pericardium. Roof of the chamber is highly vascularized by afferent and efferent renal sinus. Physiology of excretion. The auricular wall of the heart forms the pericardial fluid by ultrafiltration of blood across the auricular wall. This pericardial fluid is thus called the primary urine